Hi everybody, this is Brian with Quartz Carpet USA. We're in Londonderry, New Hampshire. We're one of our certified installers. Just finished up a very incredible installation. I can't wait to show you everything that they completed for Automotive Elegance in Londonderry, New Hampshire. We're in the customer waiting area where the logo was installed. This logo is absolutely incredible. It's in the middle of the room to exemplify their brand. They wanted the colors, they wanted a logo. And as you know, if you own your own business, there's nothing more important than your branding. And take a look at this logo. This logo matches their branding perfectly. We put it in the middle of the room to really bring out the logo. We put a border around the room to kind of soften the tones and really tie everything together. This is absolutely incredible. This floor is very easy to clean. This floor will survive, without a doubt, the amount of foot traffic that Automotive Elegance sees on a regular basis. We just got done showing you the customer entrance area. I can't wait to show you really the piece that brought everything together. This is an absolutely incredible install. Take a look at what's behind this door right now. In continuing with the ultimate customer experience here at Automotive Elegance, while their cars are getting serviced, we installed this road in the workshop. This is a replica of a roadway, complete with grass edging and a double yellow stripe. The double yellow stripe is weathered. The proportions are correct. We even have a couple of cracks in the road to make it look as real as possible. So when an Automotive Elegance customer is waiting for their car, they can enjoy looking through the customer window area at their car on the road as it's getting worked on. At Automotive Elegance, they strive for perfection. Quartz Carpet, we strive for perfection as well. The certified installer, they strive for perfection. Perfection is putting paint protection film on a car, like this Challenger. Perfection to Quartz Carpet means meeting the customer demands, and sometimes imperfection is perfection. And that's why this road has cracks, signs of wear and tear to support that customer experience, where the car is perfect in an imperfect world. If you're looking to install a special floor, whether you are an end user, a certified installer, or even an authorized dealer of other products, and you're looking at Quartz Carpet USA, give us a call. We can help you design a floor special for you.